Question is to find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in the per million. It is given in ppm. The data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So we are going to solve this one. So today this will be done by class 10 students. So let us enjoy mathematics.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag Dasbura and today I am going to do a question from the statistics chapter, exercise 14.1. In this question, we need to find the mean of the concentration of sulfur dioxide in air. So it is given the class intervals. Now I am putting the class intervals from the question. Now I have put the class interval. Now let us put the frequency of the table. Now we need to find the class mark of the table. We can easily find the class mark by finding the average of the digits. Now here the class mark is 0.02 and so on for the rest. Now we need to find the product of class mark and the frequency, that is Fi/Xi. Now adding up all the frequencies we get 30, and adding up all of Fi and Xi we get 2.96. So 30 is called the sigma Fi and 2.96 is sigma for Fi/Xi. We can find the mean by dividing summation Fi/Xi by summation Fi. So here we get X bar, that is called mean, 2.96 divided by 30, that is equal to 0.98 by 10, and this gives us 0.098 ppm. So this is the required answer.
What do you mean by Fi? What do you mean by Xi? And what do you mean by Fi and Xi?
Fi means the frequency of this table.
Yes, Fi means the frequency of the given table.
Yes.
And Xi means
The class mark.
that is known as class mark of the given table. And Fi/Xi, that means Fi into Xi. This equal to what? Yes, summation of this one. Yes. So now we have got total summation of Fi equal to what? 30. And summation of Fi into Xi, this equal to 2.96. It is given from the table. That means we already find out this one. Yes. Then we got the marks, that is 2.96. So using the formula, that is what is the formula? What is known to be this one?
This is called mean.
Yes, mean. So we require to find out the mean from the table. Yes, mean, that is what? So you have written this one what? X and this one. And how you will read out this one?
This is called as mean x bar.
That is known as mean x. Yes, mean x. Yes. So mean x equal to what? Summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. That is the formula of finding what? Finding mean. So we have to remember about the finding mean. Yes, that is the formula. So applying this formula, we got what? Now put the value from the table. Yes, which you have got. Yes, that is what? 2.96 in place of summation of fi xi and summation of fi equal to what? Total. So show me this one. Show me 30. Yes, check here. That is 30. Yes. So put this one. After then we got this one 98 by 0.98 by 10. Yes. So we got this one 0.098. Yes. That is given in ppm. Yes. So the calculating mean is what? We have to find out what mean. So result is what now? 0.098 ppm. That is your answer. Hope you are understanding this one properly. Do you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any complaint? No. Do you understand this one properly? So if you are understanding, now we are about to stop this one. Okay? Thank you.